Rich Dad, Poor Dad: 8 Assets That Make People Rich and Help Them Stop Working. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a book by Robert Kiyosaki that explains an interesting idea called the cash flow quadrant. He says there's a thin line between the rich and the poor. People on the left side of the quadrant work for money because they need security, while those on the right side work for freedom, so they don't have to work hard all their lives. Here are 8 assets that make people rich and help them stop working. 1. A business. We've all admired successful entrepreneurs and wondered how they make billions. Sometimes we think the ultra-rich are corrupt and haven't worked hard, but this thinking holds us back. Creating a profitable business takes a lot of hard work. Successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg made their fortunes through hard work. The difference between rich entrepreneurs and employees is like the difference between passive and active income. Entrepreneurs work hard for a few years to build a business, while employees work hard all their lives. Entrepreneurs create assets that make money for them without working, while employees live paycheck to paycheck. 2. Real estate. Creating a business isn't the only way to get rich. We all come from different financial situations, and many need a secure job with benefits. Leaving job security to start a business can be risky, but you can still escape the rat race by making smart investing decisions. When you're young and earning an average salary, buying real estate seems impossible. But that's where other people's money, OPM, comes in. Kiyosaki encourages borrowing money to buy rental real estate. Rental income pays for mortgage payments and other expenses, still adding some money to your pocket. Real estate investment also lowers your taxes. As you acquire more rental properties, you become less dependent on your paycheck, achieving financial freedom. 3. Paper assets. Businesses and real estate require time and effort before you see benefits. Most people don't have much time after working long hours. Kiyosaki suggests another route to financial freedom: disciplined spending. Instead of spending money on pubs and bars, invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities. Each has its own risks, so choose based on your risk tolerance. These assets free you from managing a business or real estate while letting you invest in successful businesses. The more you save and invest, the faster you can leave the 9-to-5 grind and add more passive income streams. 4. Commodities. The value of the dollar fluctuates because paper money is a man-made concept backed by governments. If another country becomes a superpower, its currency could replace the dollar. So saving in one currency isn't the best way to build lasting wealth. Rich individuals invest in God's money, like gold, silver, oil, and food, which remain valuable. Commodities are a great protection against inflation, so it's wise to diversify your portfolio with them. Time. Time is money, because it's the most precious resource. Money comes and goes, but time, once gone, never returns. Young age is your best asset, allowing you to take risks. Investing early leads to greater wealth than starting later. Use your time wisely to upgrade your skills, start a side hustle, or follow a passion. Wealth in any form creates a safety net for you and your loved ones, protecting you from economic changes. 6. Your health. Physical fitness is essential for achieving your goals. Unhealthy habits can trap you in a cycle of earning and spending, leading to medical bills in old age. Instead, invest in your health through regular exercise to work more, earn more, and live a long, healthy life. 7. Online assets. Starting a YouTube channel costs nothing, and everyone has something they're good at. Use your skills to help others and earn money through subscribers and ad revenue. Online assets like courses, websites, blogs, and social media pages can generate income. As your online assets grow, you can create a business, hire people, and join affiliate programs for additional income. 8. Your network. A happy client is a referring client. Good work and recommendations can lead to success. Whether you start a catering business or any other venture, enlarging your network is crucial. Market yourself and let people know you are behind your good work. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Watch more personal finance videos.